Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to our first physics lesson. Today we will take the first step in learning about physics. In this video we will understand the meaning of the word physics. Let's start with an example. Imagine I am holding a ball like this one and I let it go. The ball falls to the ground. Now, as someone studying physics, I don't just say, oh, the ball fell. Instead, I say, wow, what happened? Why did the ball fall down? What force pulled it? How fast was it moving? And how much time did it take to hit the ground? In other words, I don't accept the event, just the event, but I look for the reason behind it. The reason is important in physics. But an ordinary person who watching me may say, why are you asking so many questions? It's just a ball falling. That's normal, man. 1 minute. What did you say? Normal. Normal. Actually, this word normal or natural is very important here. Focus with me. You know, one of the original meanings of the Latin word physics is exactly that: natural, normal, or ordinary. So we can say physics is the science that studies these ordinary natural events, events that seem normal to most people, but which scientists want to understand deeply. Let's now look at this special definition of physics. But actually it's not scientific definition. It's a definition between us to try to understand the meaning of the word physics. Physics is the science that studies the things people see as ordinary. Like what? For example, a pen falling, a moving car, a rise in temperature, and an airplane flying, a bomb exploding, and collisions, also an electric current. All these are ordinary events. Now, let's look at the scientific definition. The scientific definition says physics is the science that studies matter, energy, space, and time, and the relationships between them. Also, it's based on careful observation and scientific experiments in order to discover the laws of nature and to discover the truths. And physics is not limited to what we see with our eyes. It studies the universe on every scale, from the tiniest particles inside the atom to the largest black holes in galaxies. In other words, physics connects the very small with the very large. To conclude this lesson, the word physics originally means natural or ordinary, but in science, physics means much more. It is the science that explains the natural events of the universe, from falling balls to exploding stars. Thank you for listening and see you in the next lesson.